Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to get the Weed Inc modded version for your device so you can get unlimited money on this game. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what is going on. So let's open it right here. And as you can see right there, we are not exactly doing too well on this game. But then we have the money and press the button and you can add free gems. So I'm going to turn it up all the way. So let's see if the gems start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Weed Inc modded version so you can get unlimited gems as well. So let's see if it goes up, guys, and then we should be rich. So as you can see, this is the balance right now. So hopefully, oh my gosh, look at that. This actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the Weed Inc modded version for your device so you can get unlimited. All right, so let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download it. So all you have to do is go to this website, guys, tweak mod, and just type in Weed Inc, and there it is. So press install. So before it downloads this mod, there's going to be a verification. Okay, so what you got to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then the modded version will be installed into your phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So we just got to wait. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. If you ever played Weed Inc and you had no money on the game, now you know about the modded version, guys, for unlimited money. So let's see if this works, guys. So it is going to be taking us to the next step. So it's going to say like missing files or something. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps, and then you got to follow the instructions. So as you can see, we got like Travel Town, says reach level 9. Match to win says reach level 11. So it's like a game, so I just gotta play this until I'm level 11. So yeah, just do a couple of these, you're gonna be good to go. So that's how to get modded version for your device. Just make sure you run some of these games. You're gonna be all set, guys. So it's pretty easy actually. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, but that's how to get free money on Weed Inc game. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. There's the video there you can watch, but yeah, that's how to get it for your device. So this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if you guys need money on this game, definitely go ahead and try out this method because it actually works, guys. As you can see, unlimited money, guys. This is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Weed Inc, because this actually works, guys, and it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, and it's updated for 2026. So as long as you download 2 of these, you're going to be all good to go. I'm not sure which ones are in your country because I'm in the US, but you know, as long as you do 2 of them, guys, you should be all set. So I'm going to see you later, but that's how to get Weed Inc modded version for your device. So it's super cool. So as long as you do 2 apps, you should have the modded version installed. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. And if you go to the App Store and type in Weed Inc, you guys can see it is super expensive. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here. And as you can see, there's the game. And then go down to the in-app purchases, and you can see it's very, very expensive. You do not need the game installed because this is a separate modded version, but yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Weed Inc modded version, guys. So have fun, guys. This is 2026 tutorial. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, my gang.